I operated the mono rack for the first time and it was really easy to use. It starts up like any generator. This handle is used for which direction you want to go, up or down. When you pull this lever, it makes the machine go. The pulling process is a little bit tricky at first, but now I'm going to ride it. Up and down. I'm going to go up and down. Be careful. All Mekon farmers in this area use this machine to bring Mekons up or down to the truck. Nice! That's awesome. It's easy to operate.